Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to check app version on Android. So all you have to do is from your settings go down to about phone and then you tap on software information, and over here you have your Android version. Now it is app version you want to check. That's for checking your Android version. You want to check your app version, you choose the app. Let's say I want to check the app version of my CapCut. Press down on it like this and tap on information. That is the eye icon at the top, and then at the bottom here you see the app version down here. This is version 12.7.0. You can do this for another app. Let's check my Amplified Bible to see the version. Do the same thing. Press down with, tap on the eye icon in a circle, which for information, to show your app information, and then at the bottom you see the version. This is version 1.0. It's as simple as that.